Detox tea benefits rebuttal. Best flat tummy tea slim 14 days detox. There's no scientific evidence that drinking a specific type of tea, such as a flat tummy tea or a 14-day detox tea, can help you achieve a flat tummy. While some teas, such as green tea and peppermint tea, have been shown to have some health benefits, drinking them alone is unlikely to result in significant weight loss. In general, achieving and maintaining a healthy weight requires a combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. If you're looking to improve your overall health and well-being, it's best to focus on making sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle, rather than relying on quick-fix solutions like detox teas. It's also important to be cautious of detox teas that make exaggerated claims or contain potentially harmful ingredients, such as laxatives. If you're concerned about your health or are experiencing digestive symptoms, it's best to speak with a doctor or healthcare professional for personalized advice.